After the last on-the-go dongle video that I did, which is this little guy, some of my favorite comments were like, oh, I didn't know they could do that. Which got me thinking, what else can we plug into this little guy, the on-the-go dongle? And it turns out, you can plug one of these in. When was the last time you saw a stiffy, floppy, disky thingy? So today, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to plug a whole bunch of things in, and let's see what happens. Let's do this. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching another one of the videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Hit the head below to subscribe if you like this kind of content, tech, gadget, apps, tips and tricks. Check out some of these other cool videos and I'll see you over there.